You're about 5. You're 5 seconds for getting arrested. You're 5 seconds for getting on the vehicle.
Why did they touch me? I'm calling the
Get out of the vehicle. Get
June 25th, 2025. An Ohio officer spots a blue Kia with no brake lights. What should have been a simple ticket turned into an arrest, and by the end of the night she was calling him racist and heading to jail.
What's that? Alright, do you have an ID on you? You ever been pulled over before? Why did you stop right in the middle of the lane? There's lanes of travel. You don't pull over in the driving lanes when you get pulled over. I know, when you get pulled over, you gotta pull over to the side. That's my point. You still living on... What's that? Where are you staying at now? What's that?
While patrolling a highway in Ohio, an officer noticed a blue Kia driving with no working brake lights or tail lights. When he ran the plate, he discovered the registered owner had a suspended license, so he initiated a traffic stop. But instead of pulling to the shoulder, the driver stopped in the middle of the driving lane. "Officer, why would you stop right in the middle of traffic?" The driver appeared confused and defensive from the start.
.477 radio deal.
477.
You send the next 31. It's for a blue Kia Forte brake. Contact's going to be 2. She's going to be cited with the non-compliant suspension, seatbelt, and brake lights required. What's up? You ever have anybody stop right in the middle of the freeway when you pulled them over? You ever have anybody stop right in the middle of the freeway when you pull them over? She stopped right here. I'm hawking, then she goes in sideways. I'm like, you got no brake lights.
Most of the time it's up here too.
Yeah.
All the way up here.
Yeah. I'm like, you got no brake lights. How am I supposed to know that? I'm like,
Check your car.
yeah. You really wanted to go and do the hook for me?
Yeah.
And then maybe you could transfer her up to Rockside or something. Thank you. What's your phone number?
The officer confirmed, suspended license, no working brake lights, no seatbelt. At that point, the vehicle had to be towed. The driver was told, "You can't drive this vehicle, it's getting towed." She became visibly frustrated. She claimed she had just gotten her license back. She mentioned needing to get her daughter, but legally she couldn't drive away.
Lee Road, is that Maple or where is that at? Maple, what's it? It says you for the non-compliant suspension, not wearing your seatbelt, and not having any brake lights. We're going to have to tow the car. Alright, so you go and gather any belongings you have, and then we'll take you up to the Rockside Road as far as we can go. All right, you gotta make other arrangements. You can't say we drive this vehicle. 1, you don't have a driver's license. 2, you don't have a working brake light or tail lights. Your court date's mandatory court date is going to be on the 10th of July, 1 p.m. If you have any questions, there's a phone number on the back of the site for you.
So where she wants to go?
She says something about getting her daughter.
What?
Says something about getting her daughter. We can just take her to Rockside. Drop her off to the Burger King or something up there. She said she just got cited today. I don't know how the guy didn't tow her car.
Let me just take her and then.
That's fine.
Property.
That's cool. I don't know, Dino must have got lost.
No, y'all don't have
You
no
gotta
permission
get out of the
to do
car.
that. Y'all don't have no
Get out of the car.
Y'all don't have no permission to do that.
What?
Y'all
Yes.
not.
Don't make this harder on yourself than you already
Where's
are. You have to get out of the car now.
They have no right to do that. No,
Yes,
they
we do.
not.
You need to get out of the vehicle now.
Y'all know. There's no toll.
You need to get out or we're going to drag you out. Get out of the vehicle,
Drag
please.
me out.
Get out of the
You
vehicle.
won't have a job. So
Yeah.
don't touch
No. You need to get out. We're towing the vehicle. You need to get out of the vehicle. You're just going to make this worse. You're about you're 5 seconds for getting arrested. You're 5 seconds for get out of the vehicle.
Why dad they touching me? I'm calling my life.
Get out of the vehicle. Get
When the tow truck was arranged, the officer asked her to step out of the vehicle. She refused. "Officer, you need to get out of the car. Driver, they have no right to do that." The officer warned her multiple times. "You're 5 seconds for being arrested." She continued refusing. Then the officer opened the door, and things escalated. She shouted, "You're a racist cop. I hope you never be a cop again." At that moment, she was placed under arrest.
in.
You a racist ass cop, and I hope that you don't never be a cop again. But don't ever tell a woman.
She was charged with resisting arrest, obstructing official business, driving with a suspended license. She also received citations for no seatbelt, no brake lights. In court, the resisting arrest charge was dismissed. The seatbelt citation was dismissed. The taillight citation was dismissed. But she was found guilty of obstructing official business, driving with a suspended license, and ordered to pay $900 in fines plus court costs.
We're gonna have a 21 for obstruction and resisting.
I don't know where yours is.
My what?
Your citation.
What'd she say?
You just need to find out.
I don't know.
Transit, please on public service, they advise after we
Just got this one today too.
that he has pain in his
Huh?
arm and
Stay
his
involved.
groin.
I don't know why the hell they didn't tow the vehicle.
Just like lipstick and stuff.
Huh?
Just like lipstick and stuff, you know.
You got her keys? Probably for the house.
I'm gonna take her
Huh?
back. I'm gonna take her back.
Alright, make sure somebody meets you there.
You also gonna have to come back here and just search it really quick.
I'm just gonna pat you down real quick. Do you have anything on you that can poke me or stick me? Any piercings that I can't see? Are you bringing any? No? Oh, your belly, okay. Are you bringing anything in with you that you shouldn't be bringing into jail? No? Okay. Can you turn around and face the wall?
So here's the question. Was this an officer enforcing the law? Or did this traffic stop escalate unnecessarily? Should she have just stepped out? Or was the arrest too much? Comment below, Team Law or Team Driver.